Welcome to the second module on Yoga for Health and Harmony. At the end of this module, you will be able to define the fundamental principles of yoga philosophy, discuss the concept of union in yoga and its significance, identify the 8 essential elements of yoga, explain how yoga philosophy promotes holistic well-being, explore practical applications of yoga for physical and mental health. In this slide, we will learn the fundamentals of yoga philosophy and explore its profound connection to health and well-being. Yoga philosophy is deeply rooted in ancient Indian traditions. It offers a comprehensive approach to health that goes well beyond physical postures or asana. Central to yoga philosophy is the concept of achieving union between the mind, body, and spirit. The word yoga is derived from the Sanskrit root yuj, which means to join, to yoke, or to unite. This union is not just physical but also spiritual and mental, aiming to harmonize the various aspects of our being. According to yogic scriptures, the practice of yoga leads to the union of individual consciousness with universal consciousness, fostering perfect harmony between the mind and body, as well as between humans and nature. This holistic integration is the essence of yoga, contributing to overall health, inner peace, and well-being. Hope this introduction to yoga philosophy inspires you to explore its practices and benefits further. Let's continue this journey together, learning how yoga can enhance our health and bring harmony to our lives. Today we will delve deeper into the practice of yoga and explore its 8 essential elements with you. The practice of yoga extends far beyond the physical postures known as asana. It encompasses a comprehensive system designed to promote holistic health and spiritual growth. Here are the 8 elements of yoga. First, yam, ethical guidelines and moral restraints, which include non-violence, ahimsa, truthfulness, satya, non-stealing, asteyi, chastity, brahmacharya, and non-possessiveness, aprigrah. Second, niyam, personal observances and disciplines, which include cleanliness, shauch, contentment, santosh, austerity, tap, self-study, swadhyay, and surrender to a higher power, Ishwar Pranidhan. Third, asana, physical postures designed to increase flexibility, strength, and balance while promoting physical health. Fourth, pranayam, breathing techniques that control the life force, prana, enhancing respiratory function and promoting mental clarity. Fifth, pratyahara, withdrawal of the senses, which involves turning the focus inward and gaining control over external influences. Sixth, dharana, concentration of the mind, involving intense focus on a single point or object to train the mind. Seventh, dhyana, meditative absorption, which is a state of deep, sustained focus and meditation. 8. Samadhi, blissful enlightenment, the ultimate goal of yoga, characterized by a profound state of peace and unity with the universal consciousness. These 8 elements collectively form the path to holistic well-being, guiding practitioners towards physical health, mental clarity, and spiritual enlightenment. Hope this overview provides a clear understanding of the comprehensive nature of yoga. Next, we explore how these elements can enhance our lives and well-being. Yoga is not just about performing a few asanas on the yoga mat. Yoga is much more than just performing physical postures. While the asana indeed enhance flexibility, strength, and balance, the mental and spiritual aspects of yoga play a crucial role in promoting inner peace and overall well-being. Through regular practice, yoga turns the mind towards introspection by voluntarily shutting out distractions. Engaging in yoga not only boosts physical fitness but also fosters mental resilience and emotional balance. The practice encourages mindfulness, helping to calm the mind and reduce stress. By integrating breathing techniques, pranayam, concentration, dharana, and meditation, dhyan, yoga supports a holistic approach to health. Hope this perspective inspires you to embrace yoga as a comprehensive practice that nurtures both body and mind. Let's continue this enlightening journey together, discovering the full spectrum of benefits that yoga offers. Let's now explore a few practical yoga exercises that can help alleviate the strain of desk work and promote physical and mental well-being right in your office. Step 1. Warm up 3 minutes. Start by warming up your body with the following exercises. Shoulder rolls. Roll your shoulders forward and backward in circles. Open chest stretch. Interlace your fingers behind your back and lift your chest. Neck stretch. Gently tilt your head from side to side, holding each stretch. Twisted arms. Extend one arm across your body and gently pull it with the opposite arm. Reverse prayer pose. Bring your palms together behind your back. Join your palms together. Step 2. Desk yoga asanas. 12 minutes total. Perform each asana for 90 seconds, totaling 10 minutes. First, Tadasana, palm tree pose. Stand tall with feet together, arms extended overhead, palms facing each other, and lengthen your spine upwards. Raise the heels off the ground. Second, Utkatasana, chair pose. Begin standing, bend your knees, and lower your hips as if sitting in an imaginary chair. Keep your chest lifted and arms extended. Third, Garulasana, eagle pose. Stand on one leg, wrap the opposite leg around it, and cross your arms at the elbows with palms pressed together. Fourth, Uttanasana, standing forward bend. Stand with feet hip width apart, fold forward from the hips, and reach your hands toward the floor. Fifth, Ardha Chakrasana, half wheel pose. Stand, bend backward, and place hands on your lower back, creating a gentle arch. Sixth, Vrikshasana, tree pose. Stand on one leg and place the sole of the opposite foot on the inner thigh or calf. Extend your arms overhead. These desk-friendly yoga exercises can help stretch and strengthen your body, improve posture, and alleviate stress. Incorporating these practices into your work routine can enhance your productivity and overall well-being. The key is to hold the pose at least for minutes, starting with these seconds. Hope you find these techniques beneficial for maintaining health and vitality throughout your workday. Let's continue to explore how yoga can positively impact our daily lives. Let's now explore additional techniques within yoga that promote relaxation, reduce stress, and enhance focus and concentration. Meditation. Meditation can be easily practiced while sitting on chair. It is an excellent way to reduce stress and anxiety while increasing mental focus and concentration. Find a quiet place, sit comfortably, close your eyes, and focus on your breath or a calming mantra or picture. Allow your mind to become still and observe your thoughts without judgment. Spending even a few minutes in meditation can help restore your calm and inner peace. Pranayam. Pranayam refers to breathing exercises that regulate the flow of pran, life force energy, within the body. Here are 3 effective techniques. 1. Brahmari Pranayam, also known as humming bee breath. Brahmari Pranayam involves closing off the ears with thumbs, inhaling deeply, and making a humming sound like a bee during exhalation. It helps calm the mind and reduce stress. 2. Bhastrika Pranayam. Known as Billow's breath, Bhastrika involves forceful inhalations and exhalations through the nose. It increases oxygen supply to the body and helps release accumulated tension and negativity. 3. Anulom Vilom. Alternate nostril breathing. Anulom Vilom involves alternate nostril breathing, where you inhale through one nostril and exhale through the other. This technique balances the flow of energy and calms the mind. These pranayam techniques are beneficial for relieving negative emotions such as anger, frustration, and anxiety. They promote relaxation, mental clarity, and emotional balance. Incorporating these practices into your daily routine can significantly enhance your overall well-being and resilience to stress. Take few moments each day to practice meditation and pranayam and experience the transformative power of these ancient yoga techniques. It's time now for a quick check on our learning. Please proceed to answer a few MCQs. What is the central concept of yoga philosophy? A. Achieving physical strength. B. Union between the mind, body, and spirit. C. Mastery of breathing techniques. D. Attaining perfect flexibility. Please select the answer. Great! The central concept of yoga philosophy is achieving union between the mind, body, and spirit, promoting overall harmony and well-being. What does the word yoga mean in Sanskrit? A. Meditation. B. Breath control. C. To unite. D. Physical postures. Please select the answer. Spot on. Yoga is derived from the Sanskrit root yuj, which means to join, to yoke, or to unite. Which of the following is not one of the 8 elements of yoga? A. Asan. B. Pranayam. C. Samadhi. D. Nadi Shodhan. Please select the answer. Excellent! Nadi Shodhan is a specific breathing technique, not one of the 8 elements of yoga, which include yam, niyam, asan, pranayam, pratyahar, dharana, dhyan, and samadhi. Congratulations, you have completed the second module. Before we move on to the next module, let us recap what we have learnt in the module. Introduction to yoga philosophy and its ancient roots in Indian traditions. Exploration of the 8 elements of yoga, including yam, niyam, and asan. Understanding the holistic benefits of yoga for physical, mental, and spiritual health. Practical techniques for integrating yoga into daily life, including desk-friendly exercises. Techniques for stress relief, focus enhancement, and overall well-being through meditation and pranayam. Guidance on incorporating yoga practices safely and effectively into daily routines for enhanced health and vitality. This module aims to provide a comprehensive understanding of yoga philosophy and practical applications for improving overall well-being. With this, we complete this module and please click the next button to proceed to the next module.